Every device connected online has a secret identity. It's called a MAC address. MAC stands for Media Access Control. It is a unique ID for every device, built directly into the hardware of the Network Interface Card, or NIC. MAC addresses are used for communication on local networks or LANs. Imagine PCA wants to send data to PCB. How does the network switch know where to send the data? The switch uses MAC addresses to decide. The switch needs a way to map a MAC address to a port to know where to send the data packet. A MAC address is a 48-bit value, consisting of 6 bytes or groups, where each byte is represented by 2 hexadecimal characters. This format allows for over 281 trillion combinations, ensuring uniqueness. Every MAC address has 2 main parts. The first 3 bytes are the organizationally unique ID, or OUI, assigned by the IEEE, which identifies the manufacturer. The last 3 bytes form the device ID, assigned by the manufacturer and unique to each device. There are 3 types of MAC addresses. Unicast is the most common frame type, a one-to-one transmission. Multicast is one-to-many, used in protocols like OSPF and streaming. Broadcast is one-to-all, used when a switch floods all ports. A network switch learns MAC addresses 1 frame at a time. The frame arrives on a port, the switch reads the source MAC address and records the MAC and port number. It then checks the destination MAC address. If known, it forwards to that port. If unknown, it floods all ports. Entries expire after around 300 seconds due to an aging timer. ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol, links an IP address to a MAC address. PCA sends an ARP request broadcast to find PCB's MAC address from its IP. PCB replies with a unicast ARP reply, which PCA stores in its ARP cache for future use, skipping the ARP process the next time. MAC and IP addresses serve different jobs at different layers. MAC addresses are layer 2, physical and hardware-based, fixed by the manufacturer, and only used on local networks. IP addresses are layer 3, logical and software-based, assigned dynamically, and are globally routable. MAC spoofing is possible because the MAC address is a software-writable value. Legitimate uses include privacy on public Wi-Fi or replacing a broken NIC. Malicious uses include bypassing MAC filtering or performing ARP spoofing. Use this capability wisely. Quick quiz. What does FFFFFFFFFF mean? This MAC address represents a broadcast, which is sent to all devices on the local network. As key takeaways, remember that MAC addresses are a unique 48-bit ID operating at layer 2. They are local only, and switches learn them automatically in the CAM table. ARP links IP to MAC, and MAC addresses are spoofable.